So I bought this canoe off of a friend, Dot, and her parents bought it new back in late 60s, early 70s, north of Quebec from a indigenous canoe maker in Wendake, Quebec. And it was manufactured right beside the river called Kabir Kuba, which is what I've named this canoe. So it's seen many lives. Her parents, and she kept it, and now it's come to me. And it's time for a little freshening up, which I just finished. And here it is. There she is. All sealed. Any scratches that got close to the canvas. Looking pretty good. All protected with 303. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Back, ready on June 29th. Will be 2 weeks. Ready to go. Look at the golden color. Just look at that, eh? Yeah. It's beautiful. Okay. So now all that's left is to enjoy. Ready to go. Kabir Kuba from Wendake, Quebec.